This video is intended to be a supplement to our written installation instructions. Please download the installation instructions online at InPro.com. The recommended installation method requires Roman Pro 935 primer and Roman Pro 555 extreme tack wall covering adhesive. You will also need an X-Acto style knife or Swedish knife, a straight edge, a plastic smoother, and a natural sponge. If you are using color match trim with your installation, you will also need a tube of InPro 585-C clear caulk. Prior to installation, prep the wall to a level 4 finish, ensuring the surface is smooth and free of any defects. All wall surfaces should be primed with Roman Pro 935 and allowed to dry for 24 hours. Pre-cut your sheets to the appropriate length for installation and apply an even coat of Roman Pro 555 adhesive to the back of the Ricochet. After the surface has been covered completely, fold each end of the material in towards the center for booking. Allow approximately 10 minutes booking time and confirm that the adhesive is tacky to the touch. Position the first sheet of Ricochet on the wall. Smooth it out using a plastic smoother, working out any air bubbles. Re-inspect within 2 hours to ensure all air bubbles have been smoothed out, and again before leaving the job site. Position sheet number 2, overlapping sheet number 1 by approximately 2 inches at the seam. Position a straight edge where the seam is to be cut. Using the straight edge as a guide, cut through both sheets of the material to form a seam. Cut off any excess strings at the seam. Smooth out the material, working away from the seam and toward the edge of where sheet number 3 will be positioned. Wipe the seam down with a natural sponge to remove any excess adhesive. Repeat these steps on each subsequent seam until all material has been installed. To complete the look, use Ricochet color match trim along the top. Apply a thin layer of InPro 585-C clear caulk above the edge and carefully position your trim along the wall. If necessary, use painter's tape to hold the trim in place while the adhesive dries.